So we put our second finger of the left hand on the F above middle C, and then with the right hand, the thumb goes on C, second finger next door, third finger next door, fourth finger next door. And if you're playing on a hop tuned in E flat major, all the levers should be down. Okay, and we're going to play the left hand first, and then we're going to come down from the top with the right hand. Listen out for the rhythm. We'll play it again. Okay, so we get that 4 times. Okay, so that's first 4 bars. Bar 5, the right hand, we're going to put the thumb on F, third finger on C, that's with the right hand. Left hand, second finger goes on F above middle C, and we get. And then the right hand's going to play the same thing again, but the left hand is going to move to the A flat. So that little bit goes like this. So if we go from the top, we get.